All cylinder liner installed, and pull and push test is also performed. FP liner, and the material number is only one liner is remaining. FP नहीं वो देते हैं लाइनर का डब्बा किथे है एक डब्बा लिया साबत all SP liner, all pistons are CTPT, CTP, and liner part number is 217 and made in India, SP diesel. This is as per the customer requirement. We are not putting the non-genuine parts, but customer brings the non-genuine parts and he don't want warranty. So today we install also piston, inshallah.